This could be the vehicle you're looking for. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 6.2-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include tow hitch, front tow hooks, alloy rims, keyless entry, brake assist, traction control, stability control, anti-lock brakes, hill start assist. Inside you'll find leather seats, heated seats, memory seats, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side impact door beams, child safety locks, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power seats. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.